Good morning. It's Saturday, March 25th, I believe, or 26th. Something in March, and it is Saturday. It's our second day out. We survived last night. We got about, I don't know, you might want to say an inch of accumulation on the ground around the tent. It's still coming down. It's not snow. It's kind of a little pelty, sleet kind of stuff, but it doesn't, it doesn't hurt or anything like that. But you can't see much out there, that's for sure. Like last night, you could see a little bit of clouds directly in the middle out there, but now it's all clouds and stuff. And the people who were in that tent site, you could see where a tent used to be, I think. They got up in the middle of the night. I think they were having problems with their tent, and they've gone down here to the shelter and put it up inside. You're not supposed to, but you got to do what you got to do, I think. I got in bed last night, and my legs were cold. I think it's because they were just cold from being out and exposed all day long. And I finally warmed up and went to sleep, and then about midnight, the wind was howling. Oh my, I wasn't cold, but the wind just kept ripping, and it was flipping the door open, and it was brand new tent for me, so I couldn't figure out how to close it up. And you take your gloves off, and then your fingers get cold, and they don't work right. But eventually, it died down, and somewhere early this morning, probably about 6, I was able to go back to sleep for a good hour's worth of sleep. So I don't want to sound like I'm complaining, but it was a little uncomfortable last night. But we expected it. We knew it was going to be cold and windy, and now we got a hike in this today. So that's the morning update. I hope it wasn't unpleasant. All right, update. This is the privy. There's no roof. There's 3 sides, and I've got to wipe off snow. So I know this is gonna be cold. All right, we're about 2 miles into today's hike. You can talk. And we made it to Stan Murray Shelter. We had a little snack here. And as we were coming from the north side, this gentleman, Mike, was coming from the south side, doing a huge favor for somebody. A lady had left some clothes on the trail, and apparently they were still fairly warm, so they must have just fallen out of her pack. So he's going to carry them on and hopefully meet up with her and pass them on to him. So that's a great thing. That's what the trail community does. They look after each other.
If not, they'll go in the hiker box.
There you go.
Hostel.
Nice. All right.
All right, Steve.
All right. About halfway through today's hike. We're doing about 8 miles today. And we're about ready to hit some open bald areas. So I tried to get this film in without too much wind blowing, but apparently it's gonna blow no matter what. It's gonna be windy regardless. So we got some beautiful sky up there, and I pan around this way. Got some gray up there. It might be a little snow for somebody. I don't think us. And then the trees here are all frozen over from last night. And then I believe we're gonna head that way and take it down to some of the walls over there. So we should have some good views, but if the wind's real bad, I'm just going to take the pictures rather than video, because it's aggravating, I know. Later. All right, so we've made it to the shelter for the evening, and we met a thru hiker named Cast Iron. There's the reason for it. He's got a small cast iron stove or cast iron pot, and he's making some Spam tacos tonight. Sure does smell good in here, and the heat doesn't hurt.
As my wife says,